also have a native cotton po ng mga Palawan tribe natin. They call it lublub. Ito po ay gawa po siya sa young shoot of palm. And meron silang a piece of metals or pala. Di man, palipas pala. Okay, so this is the metal po or bala. Sambato lang man. Ma'am, sir, the process po of making fire in the mountain, they call it santikan. Santikan po means friction. Ma'am, sir, the process po of making fire in the mountain, they call it santikan. Santikan po means friction. So, you see a lot of spark earlier, ma'am, sir. Yung purpose po ng cotton para mag-catch na spark. When the smoke is visible, ilalagay lang po ni Tantan sa may dry leaves. And yan po, blow harder lang po yan siya until makakalit po siya ng fire. You see, the bigger smoke, and every second po we have a fire na. That is the fastest way po ng tribe natin kung paano sila gumawa ng